Only eat like Taylor Swift for an entire day? I mean, I'm red, E, but I feel like I need a real Swiftie with me.
Challenge accepted.
To begin this challenge, we got into a state of grace and ordered some red donuts that were a treacherous size. Our stomachs may have said, I knew you were trouble, but we said back, you know that all too well. So Sori and I enjoyed our 22 donuts. The next stop on our food tour was a Taylor Swift glitter pizza inspired by this Easter egg that I feel most Swifties can say, I almost do not understand. But instead of saying we are never ever getting back together, we always stay. For the last time we got coffee at Holy Ground and it was sad, beautiful, and tragic. But we felt like the lucky one and everything had changed with this red velvet cake. Now our stomachs are feeling like starlight and I think we should let this video begin again.